Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Fossil Android watch that my mate Steven bought while you're in India. We got the package today. It was delivered to the hotel, and as you can see, it's from Amazon. So let's get started. Let's unbox this baby and see what we got inside. Let's get this box open, Steven. Let's see what's been inside.
That's a big size.
Box is really it worked from Amazon, and behold,
There it is.
Fossil Q Marshal watch, Android based. Not much on the box itself. It's compatible with all OS 4.3 and OS 4.3 or higher, and also compatible with iOS 8.2 and above, as you can see on the box there. So you can have this with your Apple Watch, or you can have it with your iPhone or your Android phone. So let's see what's inside here. Right. Do we have any tabs anyway? Doesn't look like it, so let's give it a bit of a shake so we can get some grip on here. Ooh, box is tight. There we go. Right. Quite chunky. It's got quite a weight to it. As you can see, it's the steel band. Quite heavy. Right, let's see what else comes in the box before we turn this baby on. Alright. We've got warranty and information booklet, quick start guide, and we've got something else in here. Let's have a look what's in here. Okay, we've got the charger, and it looks to be a wireless charger, Steve.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah, it looks to be a wireless charger, so I'm not going to unbox this. I'll leave this for you to
No, that's a
get.
good figure.
USB, plug it into either your USB plug that you have in your wall, or get yourself a little dongle and plug it in. So let's see, let's start this baby up. You want to do the honors?
Yeah, sure thing. Let's have a look. Best way to get the gift. Let's get this one.
Yep. Let's see if there's any power on there.
Let's see if it is this button, that's not a question. Hashtag user guide.
Well, let's have a look. Let's open up the user guide and see how we start this thing up. Now, I had done unboxing of the Asus Zen watch before. This is the first Fossil watch that I'm doing, so let's have a look. Step 2, charging it. Right, so it might need to be charged up first before we get any power onto it.
Need to, yeah.
So, you know what, guys? Let's get this charged up first, and we'll continue shortly.
Yeah.
Right, so we've got some power to it, and it's starting up right now. So we're gonna go through the motion of starting it up and connecting it to the phone, and then the rest is as per normal Android watches. And as you would see in my previous video, the Asus Zen Watch 3, you go through the same motions of setting up, but I'll take you guys through a short setup once the watch starts up and we're going to pair it with the phone. Stay tuned for that one. So let's start this setup. Let's do this. Okay, Steve, I'm going to ask you to run through that in our video.
Alright, so we're going to choose
You want to go
region.
English?
English, United Kingdom, United States. Alright,
Let's go with the United States.
Terms and service, agree. Q Marshal 7710.
There we go.
Still on, busy connecting. On your phone, I'll let it open now. Okay.
Right, so we've got a code, and as you can see, the codes match up on the phone and the watch. So hit pair there, Stephen.
Pair. Alright.
And we connected, so now we're going to get watch details and we're going to run through updates. And that's basically how you set up the Fossil Q Marshal watch with your Android device, Android phone. And once you've got enough power on it, you're good to go, Stephen.
That's it. Exciting. Definitely exciting.
And this is Stephen's first Android watch, so he's over the moon with it. Well guys, that's it from me for this one. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.